Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Pip's little world. What did Pip find today? Ooh, something round and yellow is rolling by.
A lemon.
That's right. It's a bright yellow lemon.
Lemon. L-E-M-O-N.
Let's cut it open and see inside. Look, juicy segments. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The lemon is yellow, round, and juicy.
Ooh, lemons are so sour they make your face go squishy.
Did you know? Lemons are super sour, but great in a cool drink.
Bye-bye, lemon.
What will Pip find tomorrow? See you next time. Bye-bye.